Reading Comprehension. The Shoemaker and the Elves. Once there was an old shoemaker who made shoes for a living. One day he felt tired and left a pair of boots half done on the table. The next morning, when he woke up, the pair of boots were completed and were beautifully sewed. That night, he hid behind the door to see what had happened. Two elves came in through the window and helped him sew his shoes. When they had finished, they slipped out of the window and left. The shoemaker sold more shoes and became rich because of the elves. He decided to reward the elves for their hard work. He made new clothes for them and gave them food. Comprehension questions. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Who is a shoemaker? A. He makes clothes. B. He makes shoes. C. He makes furniture. D. He makes bread. Question 2. Why did the shoemaker leave the half-done boots on the table? A. He was tired. B. He was happy. C. He wanted to watch television. D. He wanted to go out. Question 3. Who helped in making the shoes? A. A boy. B. A girl. C. Two elves. D. A tailor. Question 4. When did the elves come to help? A. They came at night. B. They came in the afternoon. C. They came in the morning. D. They came in the evening. Question 5. What did the shoemaker give the elves in return? A. He ignored them. B. He didn't reward them. C. He gave them new clothes and food. D. He gave them a house. Question 6. Which word can be used to describe the shoemaker? A. Selfish. B. Grumpy. C. Grateful. D. Proud. Let's check your answers. Question 1. The answer is B. He makes shoes. Question 2. The answer is A. He was tired. Question 3. The answer is C. Two elves. Question 4. The answer is A. They came at night. Question 5. The answer is C. He gave them new clothes and food. Question 6. The answer is C. Grateful. Well done!